On May 2, 2011, one of two secret helicopters carrying Navy SEALs into bin Laden's compound clipped a wall and went down, exposing a stealth aircraft the world was never supposed to see. From that wreckage to the flying wings, Mach 3 titanium monsters, and orbit-capable spy machines that shattered every rule of physics, this is every secret and classified military aircraft ever revealed. The Area 51 stealth pioneers. Sikorsky Stealth Blackhawk Ghost Hawk, the classified UH-60 modification so secret it had no official name, until one crashed in Osama bin Laden's yard. Engineers had reshaped the tail rotor, added radar-absorbent skin, and swept-edged covers to slip past Pakistani air defense undetected. The SEALs blew it up to hide the tech, but the surviving tail section handed the world its first glimpse of a stealth helicopter that officially didn't exist. Lockheed F-117 Blue, the diamond-shaped proof of concept that birthed stealth as we know it. Two were built and both crashed. This was the first aircraft designed entirely around faceted surfaces to scatter radar into oblivion, flying in total secrecy from 1977. Both prototypes were lost to mechanical failure, yet the program was declared a triumph because it proved the plane could vanish from radar. Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk. Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk, the first operational stealth aircraft on Earth, a faceted black wedge that opened Desert Storm by slipping into Baghdad's most defended airspace untouched. Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, the billion-dollar flying wing built to slip nuclear payloads deep into Soviet territory without ever appearing on a screen. Its blended, edge-aligned skin gives a B-2 the radar signature of a small bird, despite a 172-foot wingspan. It can strike any target on the planet from the continental United States and fly home, the most expensive aircraft ever built. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, the air superiority fighter that pairs supercruise with stealth so total that rival pilots claim they never see it coming. Northrop YF-23 Black Widow II. Northrop YF-23 Black Widow II, the sleeker, faster, stealthier rival that beat the Raptor on paper, then lost the contract and vanished into museum silence. But if you think a faceted wedge was strange, wait until you see the aircraft the engineers literally called the Whale. It's coming, and it looks like nothing that should ever fly. Stay locked. Bizarre shapes and discarded concepts. Northrop Tacit Blue, the stealth demonstrator so absurdly boxy that test crews nicknamed it the Whale. Its whole purpose was to prove a low-observable surveillance plane could orbit a battlefield with radar running, and it pioneered the first curved stealth surfaces, ditching the flat facets of the F-117. Only one was ever built. It flew 135 secret missions, and it paved the way for the B-2. Boeing Bird of Prey, the stealth demonstrator named after a Klingon warship, first flown in 1996 in total secrecy. It pioneered low-cost stealth manufacturing and shaping techniques that shaped every stealth program after it, cruising at just 300 miles an hour on a single small turbofan. Its existence stayed classified until 2002. McDonnell Douglas General Dynamics A-12 Avenger II, the carrier-based stealth bomber shaped like a flat triangle, instantly nicknamed the Flying Dorito. Roughly $5 billion vanished into the program before it flew a single time. Defense Secretary Dick Cheney killed it in 1991, and the fallout dragged through litigation until 2014, one of the most expensive cancellations in aviation history. Boeing Sikorsky YAH-66 Comanche, the stealth attack helicopter that swallowed nearly $7 billion across 22 years before being axed in 2004 without ever reaching the battlefield. Sukhoi Su-47 Berkut, the Russian experimental fighter with forward-swept wings bent the wrong way, chasing insane maneuverability at Mach 2.2. Mikoyan Project 1.44. Russia's canceled F-22 rival that finally flew in 2000, 9 years behind schedule, then died within months. But the future was already airborne, and it had no pilot at all. Shadow drones and space-age spies. Boeing X-37B Orbital Test Vehicle, the uncrewed robotic spaceplane that launches vertically on a rocket and lands like a shuttle, and no one outside the Space Force knows what it does up there. It's logged over 4,000 days in orbit across its missions, with a single flight lasting a staggering 908 days. It circles the planet at more than 17,000 miles an hour on classified payloads the government refuses to name. Northrop Grumman RQ-180. Northrop Grumman RQ-180, the enormous stealth reconnaissance drone the Air Force has never officially confirmed, believed to penetrate the most defended airspace on Earth. Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel. The stealth flying wing spy drone dubbed the Beast of Kandahar after being spotted in Afghanistan. On December 5, 2011, one went down 140 miles inside Iran, and the Iranians paraded it on television, nearly intact. It handed a rival nation a masterclass in American stealth, one of the worst classified tech losses in modern history. Northrop Grumman RQ-3 Darkstar. The Air Force's first stealth reconnaissance drone whose first prototype crashed on takeoff before the program clawed its way back. Boeing Phantom Ray. The fighter-sized stealth demonstrator drone built to test strike and reconnaissance roles no human pilot would ever fly. Lockheed Martin Polecat. The Skunk Works flying wing drone demonstrator that proved rapid stealth prototyping before it was lost in a crash. Boeing Model 853-21 Quiet Bird. The forgotten 1960s stealth demonstrator that was testing radar-defeating shapes decades before stealth had a name. But every one of these drones stands on the shoulders of a titanium monster that flew faster than a rifle bullet, and it's coming up. Stay locked. Dassault Neuron. Europe's multinational stealth combat drone demonstrator built to prove the continent could field low observable strike aircraft of its own. BAE Systems Tyrannus. Britain's stealth combat drone named after the Celtic god of thunder, designed to strike deep and return autonomously. Lockheed Martin Desert Hawk. Lockheed Martin Desert Hawk, the small hand-launched surveillance drone deployed to guard air bases and watch perimeters from above. But the real madness begins with a plane forged in titanium to outrun every missile ever fired at it, the SR-71 Blackbird. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The Mach 3 Plus reconnaissance aircraft that never fired a shot and never needed to, because nothing could catch it. When a surface-to-air missile locked on, the standard evasive maneuver was simply to accelerate and outrun it. In its entire service life, not one Blackbird was ever lost to enemy fire. It flew straight through the missile and left it behind. Lockheed A-12 Oxcart. The CIA's secret single-seat predecessor to the Blackbird, capable of Mach 3.2 above 90,000 feet. Roughly 90% of its airframe was titanium, much of it secretly bought from the Soviet Union, the very nation it was built to spy on. It flew reconnaissance so high and fast that no interceptor or missile of its era could reach it. Lockheed YF-12. The Mach 3 interceptor variant of the Blackbird, armed with air-to-air missiles. In May 1965, it set a world speed record of 2,070 miles an hour and an altitude record above 80,000 feet. It once fired a missile from Mach 3.2 and 75,000 feet that struck a target flying just 500 feet off the ground, a kill that still reads like science fiction. Lockheed U-2 Dragon Lady. The high-altitude spy plane so hard to land that a chase car races down the runway calling out its final feet to the ground. North American XB-70 Valkyrie. The six-engine Mach 3 bomber the size of an airliner, riding its own shockwave at 2,000 miles an hour. Only two were ever built, and in 1966, one was destroyed when a chase plane collided with it during a photo shoot, killing two pilots. The intercontinental missile made its mission obsolete, ending one of the most ambitious bombers ever flown. Sukhoi T-4 Sotka. The Soviet titanium Mach 3 bomber built to answer the Valkyrie, canceled in 1975 after only 10 flights. Myasishchev M50 Bounder. The massive Soviet supersonic bomber prototype paraded to terrify the West that never actually reached supersonic speed. BAC TSR-2. Britain's Mach 2 strike and reconnaissance jet, one of the most advanced aircraft of its era, killed by politics, not engineering. The program was canceled at two cabinet meetings on April 1, 1965, and the order came down to physically destroy the airframes and tooling so it could never return. Only a few survive, monuments to the greatest British aircraft that never was. Tupolev T-160 Blackjack, the largest and heaviest supersonic bomber ever built, a white swept-wing giant still flying nuclear patrols today. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-105 Spiral, the Soviet subsonic spaceplane test vehicle nicknamed for its shoe-shaped nose, built to explore orbital fighter concepts. But the shadows didn't stay American for long. The rivals were building stealth of their own. Chengdu J-20, China's first stealth fighter, a long, twin-engine machine that stunned Western analysts when it first flew on January 11, 2011. Its canard delta layout and diverterless supersonic inlets marked China's leap into fifth-generation air power decades ahead of predictions. It's now fielded in numbers, a genuine rival built to contest airspace once ruled by the F-22. Sukhoi Su-57 Felon, Russia's first stealth fighter, built for extreme maneuverability and the first to see combat over Ukraine. Shenyang FC-31 Gerfalcon, China's second stealth fighter, a twin-engine design aimed at export markets and carrier operations. Chengdu WZ-10, China's first dedicated attack helicopter, developed in deep secrecy to give its army a modern anti-armor gunship. But to find where the secret aircraft was born, we go back to the fire of World War II. Horden HO-229, the Nazi flying wing jet, often called the world's first stealth aircraft, a smooth, tailless bat shape decades ahead of its time. Powered by twin Jumo jet engines, it was designed to reach roughly 620 miles an hour, and its wooden and steel construction may have accidentally reduced its radar signature. The prototype crashed on an early flight, killing its test pilot, and the design vanished into legend as the ancestor of the B-2. Messerschmitt Me-163 Comet, the tailless rocket-powered interceptor that screamed towards enemy bombers at over 600 miles an hour, the fastest aircraft of the war. Its volatile rocket fuel was so corrosive it could dissolve a pilot alive in a crash or leak, and it killed more of its own men than the enemy did. It had power for mere minutes, then glided home defenseless. Heinkel HE-162 Volksjäger, the people's fighter, designed and flown in barely 90 days, built from wood and meant to be flown by teenage Hitler youth with almost no training. Yokosuka MYX-7 Oka, the rocket-powered flying bomb built for a single purpose, to be flown by a human pilot straight into an Allied warship. Carried under a bomber and released near its target, it rocketed towards its final dive faster than any fighter could intercept. American sailors called it Baka, Japanese for fool, and it stands as the darkest expression of the secret weapon ever built. These are the secret military aircraft ever revealed. See you in next one.